and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we are in episode number 43, and we are doing the funny monsters part.
Yes, the funny monster sketches. So this is 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and be with us till the end of the video if you want to win some exciting goodies from Parikshet and Kids Fun Learn Club.
So what should we do? Okay, I'll do that.
Let's do this.
It's going to be a very easy drawing.
Yeah. This is gonna be a quick one. Does this look like a monster?
No.
Oh yeah, it does.
More like a jump scary monster.
Oh, the dangerous monster.
And this is also, you can make a perfect mouth, and that also is no problem because the mouth has to look funny. Am I correct?
Has to look scary.
Yeah, and it looks scary too.
So by the time Parikshet finishes his drawing, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, add a comment below to win some exciting goodies. Yeah. First 5 comments win some exciting goodies. And do not forget to follow us on Instagram and share your drawings with us. Tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club.
It's phone?
Fun Learn Club.
Fun.
Kids Fun Learn Club, yeah. This is episode number 43. This. What creativity is Parikshet showing? Let's see. Okay, he wrote 43 over here. You need to find out where this 43 is written and tell us in the comments once again. See you in the next video. Have a great day.
And I'm writing a 5. They have to find.
Okay.
Show me 4, 3, and 5.
So you need to show 3, 4, and 5 letters. Tag us on Instagram. Find these out, and we can give you some exciting goodies again. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye bye.